Okay, so I'm going to do some example problems from the General Conversions worksheet. Your homework is 1 to 15 odd, and I'm going to do a couple of the even problems for some extra help if you need some extra help. So number 2 is 3,129,300 yards to miles. So what you need to look at on your conversion sheet is what are the conversions that you have. Yards to miles is not a straight conversion. So you may want to write this down and say yards can go to feet and then feet can go to miles. So that means that you're going to have two conversions. Okay, so 3,129,000 yards. And the best suggestion that I can say is make a multiplication and then a division bar, fraction bar, and fill in the conversion factor from there. You want the yards to cancel out, so the yards need to be on the bottom. And the conversion factor is yards in feet. So feet is in the top. Then fill in the numbers from there. So there are 3 feet in 1 yard. Then go to the next one. Okay, if you want to kind of pay attention here, you're just starting with this. You want the feet now to cancel out. So the feet goes on the bottom. Miles goes on the top. And then fill in 5,280 feet are in 1 mile. So now what you have is you have your yards canceling, you have your feet canceling, and you're left with your miles. So you're going to take the 3,100 or 3,129,000 times 3 and divide it by 5,280. All I did was multiply straight across. So that ends up being 1,778.01 miles. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do number 4. It's 85.15 yards to inches. So when you look at your conversion factor, you don't have yards to inches. So you need to go from yards to feet to inches. So again, you're going to have 2 conversion factors. So you can start at 85.15 yards. Make your fraction bar there. You want to go yards to feet. So yards needs to cancel out. So yards needs to be on the bottom. And then feet in the numerator. And there are 3 feet in 1 yard. Okay, then again, you want to go from feet to inches. So feet can cancel out. And you want to end up with inches. So there are 12 inches in 1 foot. So when you look, all you have to do is take 85.15 times 3 times 12. And you don't have to divide by anything because all there is 1 in the denominator. And you get 3,065.4 inches. Okay, and the last one I'm going to do is going number 8, going from inches to yards. So you want to go from inches to feet to yards. So that means you're going to have two conversions. So you can start with your 51.91 inches. Make your fraction bar. Inches you want to cancel out, so inches are on the bottom, feet are on the top. And there are 12 inches in 1 foot. And then do it again. Your feet need to cancel out this time, so feet are on the bottom. Yards are on the top, and there are 3 feet in 1 yard. Okay, so when you look, inches cancel, feet cancel, so you're left with your yards. So you would be doing 51.91, timesing that by 1, and you're dividing it by 12 times 3, which is 36. So 51.91 divided by 36, and you get 1.44 yards. Okay, so go ahead and work on the homework. If you have any questions, just message us and we will help you with it.